Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to create your Electrum wallet. So first of all, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser, and from there I will have to go to the URL section and search for Electrum wallet, just like so. In here you'll find the .org, so here it is. And now in order for you to actually get it, all you need to do is click on here to download Electrum, and here you can choose whether you like it to be in Python, Linux, Windows, and macOS or Android. So you can download from Windows through here, Windows installer, and just like so, here it is, has been created. So now all I need to do is go to here, click over here, and click after that on yes. Click on install and wait for it until it fully loads. And yeah guys, if you want to check their notes or anything, you can check it through here over this page. As you can see, the latest note was 3 weeks ago, so they have been working on this app so much. And now after it's finished, we click on close. So let me just close this real quick. And after that, let me check if it has been actually added. So here it is, Electrum. Now, all I need to do, guys, is click here to like auto connect or server, like select server manually. So auto connect, for example, next, default wallet, next, send wallet, or whatever type of wallet you want. So let's click next, create new seed, and he will find that. So let's copy this next, and you see it a part of you, lose your seed, so make that, but please retype it here. So I will need to actually retype it. So all I'm going to do is let's have a new document. Let me just open it and then let me just paste it. Oh my god, let me just go back. All right, let me just reopen this because I didn't actually copy the seed. So next, 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 and here it is. And here I must pass it over here, then next, and then here what I'm going to do is actually write it. It's gonna be pretty simple. So crater, Shern, Canon, team, middle, vocal, warfare, and rough, rule, route, faculty, and blade. Just like so, I'm done. So click on next. Here you must put your password. So like that, and here you repeat your password, and that's it, guys. So here it is, your wallet. As you can see here, here you can send, here you can receive, and there are the channels, and here as you can see, this is the history. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can actually create your Electrum wallet. So thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.